Welcome to my channel Detailed Math Solutions. In this video I'm going to show how to find the special products with higher degree terms displayed on the screen and two more products. To solve these exercises I'm going to use the special product formula for sum and difference of the same terms, which can be written as a plus b in parentheses multiplied by a minus b in parentheses equals to a squared minus b squared, or as a minus b in parentheses multiplied by a plus b in parentheses equals to a squared minus b squared. In the first exercise, the term a squared x to the first power over 5 will correspond to the a in the formula, and the second term a to the fourth power x to the third power over 7 will correspond to the b in the formula. And when I use the formula, this will equal to a squared x over 5 in parentheses squared minus a to the fourth power x to the third power over 7 in parentheses squared. This equals to a squared in parentheses squared x squared over 5 squared minus a to the power of 4 squared x to the third power squared over 7 squared. When I simplify further, I have a to the fourth power x squared over 25 minus a to the eighth power x to the sixth power over 49. In the next exercise, the first term minus a to the fifth power x to the sixth power over 9 will correspond to the a in the formula, and the second term a to the seventh power x to the eighth power over 4 will correspond to the b in the formula. And when I apply the formula, this will equal to the first term squared minus the second term squared, or this will equal to minus a to the fifth power x to the sixth power over 9 in parentheses squared minus a to the seventh power x to the eighth power over 4 in parentheses squared. This equals to minus 1 in parentheses squared multiplied by a to the fifth power in parentheses squared x to the sixth power in parentheses squared over 9 squared minus a to the seventh power in parentheses squared x to the eighth power in parentheses squared over 4 squared. This simplifies to a to the 10th power x to the 12th power over 81 minus a to the 14th power x to the 16th power over 16. Next, I'm going to find two more products displayed on the screen. For this exercise, the first term minus 4a squared x to the sixth power over 8 will correspond to the a in the formula, and the second term 3a to the 8th power x to the 0th power over 5 will correspond to the b in the formula. Therefore, when I use the formula, this will equal to minus 4a squared x to the 6th power over 8 in parentheses squared minus 3a to the 8th power x to the 0th power equals to 1. Therefore, I'm not going to write it over 5 in parentheses squared. This equals to minus 1 parentheses squared 4 squared a squared to the power of 2 x to the 6th power in parentheses squared over 8 squared minus 3 squared a to the power of 8 in parentheses squared over 5 squared. This expression simplifies to 16 a to the 4th power x to the 12th power over 64 minus 9 a to the 16th power over 25. Lastly, I'm going to again use the formula to find this special product. The first term 6a to the 9th power x to the 7th power over 11 will correspond to the a in the formula, and the second term 5a to the 1st power x to the 10th power over 12 will correspond to the b in the formula. And when I apply the formula, this equals to 6 a to the 9th power x to the 7th power over 11 in parentheses squared minus 5a x to the 10th power over 12 in parentheses squared. When I distribute the exponent, I have 6 squared a to the 9th power in parentheses squared x to the 7th power in parentheses squared over 11 squared minus 5 squared a squared x to the 10th power in parentheses squared over 12 squared. This expression simplifies to 36 a to the 18th power x to the 14th power over 121 minus 25 a squared x to the 20th power over 144. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.